Here's how to preview an invoice in Stripe test mode step by step. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Before doing anything with the invoice itself, make sure test mode is turned on. This is the key setting for the workflow because it keeps your actions in the test environment while you review how the invoice will look and behave. If you are switching between environments often, take a moment to confirm you are still in test mode before moving forward. Once that is set, go to Billing and then Open Invoices. From there, either create a new draft invoice or open an existing draft invoice that you want to review. The important part here is that the invoice stays in draft form while you make changes and check the preview. With the draft invoice open, select the customer you want to invoice. This connects the invoice to the correct customer record and updates the invoice details based on that selection. Make sure you choose the intended customer before adding the rest of the invoice content. Next, move to the Items section and add the products or one-time invoice items you want included. You can add one item or several, depending on what you need to test. As you add each line, Stripe updates the invoice details so you can check the subtotal and overall structure as it builds. After the items are in place, configure the invoice settings you want to test. This includes the currency, payment terms, payment methods, discounts, taxes, and any other available invoice options relevant to your setup. This is the stage where you shape how the final invoice will be presented and how payment will be handled. If you are testing a specific billing scenario, set those details here before reviewing the final version. As you make these changes, look to the preview panel on the right side of the screen. This panel updates live, which lets you review the invoice as it will appear in different formats. You can switch between the invoice PDF view, the email view, and the payment page view. Each one shows a different part of the customer experience, so it is worth checking all three if your goal is to verify the full invoice workflow in test mode. When everything looks correct in the live preview, click Review Invoice in the upper right corner. This opens the completed invoice review so you can inspect the final draft before you finalize it or send it. Use this screen to confirm that the customer, items, totals, and invoice settings all appear the way you expect. If something needs adjustment, go back and make the changes while staying in test mode. If everything is correct, you can finalize the invoice in test mode to continue verifying your process without affecting live billing. Your invoice has now been previewed and reviewed in Stripe test mode.